Okay, we're going to do an unboxing. Christopher Ward C5 Malvern Automatic watch. Just delivered by Canada Post after 23 days in Canada Customs. Thanks very much, Canada Customs. This was a nice Christmas present for my wife. The fellow at the door who delivered it, we were talking about it, and he said, "Was it ticking?" Very interesting, funny comment. Christopher Ward is a UK manufacturer. They've actually used Swiss parts, and they're based in Cookham, England. And the reason I'm doing the unboxing is a lot of people are liking Christopher Ward watches, but there's not a lot of information on the internet. So I'll post this up on YouTube for what it's worth. Packaging, as always, from Christopher Ward is excellent. Again, it's a box within a box within a box. A little bit of a ding on the side there, so I'm sure the packaging will come in handy. C5 Malvern Automatic, owner's handbook. Of course, everything's online, so it doesn't really matter. ChristopherWard.co.uk. Washable microfiber cleaning cloth. A welcome letter with the invoice from Chris Ward. Ooh, £25 off your next purchase. That sounds good. And here comes the presentation case, which is very nice. This is the entry-level presentation case. There's an upgraded one, which is really magnificent. Here we go. Again, it gets a little bumped around in transportation. It's 38 millimeters across. Let's see what it looks like. It's got a really great weight to it. Yeah. Oh, I see how that goes. And there it looks on the wrist. And actually it just started going. It's an absolutely beautiful looking watch. It can be used as a dress watch or daily. Again, 38 millimeters automatic, 38-hour power reserve. Thanks for watching.